How to redeem your Binance gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your Binance gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are many ways to actually redeem your gift card. One is you can convert it to fiat and one is you can redeem it for crypto. So I'll show you both ways. Now first, what you have to do is just open up Binance and make sure you're logged into your account. I'm basically on the Binance app, and once you log into Binance over here, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left hand corner of the screen. As you can see, once you tap on the profile icon, you will see this kind of interface, and here you have a look for the option that says gift card. As you could see over here, just tap on the gift card option. As soon as you tap on gift card, here you will see this kind of option. Now what you have to do is on the specific page right over here, you'll find this little arrow icon that says redeem at the bottom of the screen in this menu options. You just tap on redeem. Now you can see you have two options. One is to redeem Binance gift card or your code, so you can simply redeem your Binance gift card over here and just redeem them. Enter the 16-digit character and then just tap on the redeem button, or you can also paste it. And Binance is not responsible for and assumes no liability to you or for any unlawful conduct or fraud by any third party associated with any gift card. So just tap on the redeem once you've done so. If you want to redeem it and convert it to fiat currency, which means if you want to redeem it for cash, then you can just tap on redeem and convert to fiat. And here you can simply select your fiat currency on which you want to convert. So in this case, let's say I just select USD. Once I select USD, I'll just tap on it over here, and I'll just go ahead and enter the redemption code and tap on the paste button or anywhere else. And I'll just tap on the next button. It will give you with some other information that you need in order to redeem your gift card and convert it into fiat currency. That's all it takes to redeem your Binance gift card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.